Hello friends, today we are unboxing the Simplex Plus model from Macro Detectors Nocta metal detectors, which has got the following features of noise cancellation, discrimination features, and it has come with a 11-inch double D coil, and after purchasing also you will get free firmware upgrade from the company side and further, and if further there are any upgrades from the company. Okay, so this also comes with a 2-year warranty, and we will see what all comes in this box and one by one. Okay, as we open the box, first things we can find out is the headphones that you'll find, the main unit, the holding cable and the charger, and the coil fitting screw. This is the main display for Nocta Simplex. It has come with many features. We'll just check all the features on this device one by one. Okay, this is the main menu, and we'll switch on the menu because we are capturing it from a mobile screen. That's why you can see these lines like that, but actually there are no such lines. Okay, so in this menu you have got, these are preset modes, where you can select where in what condition you are searching, so you can define from here. This will tell you what kind of metal that you want to search, what area are you searching in for. Okay, then these are the features to enable and disable the audio feature. You can increase and decrease the volume setting, the output volume. To come out of the menu you can use this option, and you can select this option for going into different menus. Okay, so now we can send frequencies, we can adjust, and if you want to delete any particular frequency, we can simply delete. These are the frequencies and the preset modes that you want to create. It also comes with a built-in light underneath. While you are searching in the night or something, you want this feature, this light you can on and off, so it will help you in the ground search like this. It will create a light on the background which will help you in searching during the night. Okay, so you can check all the features by pressing this. You will go on, and if you want to disable any particular metal, if you want to cancel, you can cancel. Okay, these are the different frequency levels that you want to set. Okay, this is the again you want to increase or decrease the hertz on which you want to search. This is by default it is set on 90 hertz. To come out of the menu, and you can check the battery life from here. It will show you how much battery is left, and you can charge it through a USB cable from this port on the background. Okay, this is the headphone port and the charging port also. I'll show you all the items available. One second. Okay, now this is the warranty card and the serial number and the distribution center. Then this is the user manual. User manual is important because whenever you want to refer to any new feature that is there that you want to use, you can use this user manual. This is the double D coil from Nocta Macro Detectors, and even the coil will have a separate serial number, so you can use this. This is a very good double D 11-inch coil by default that you get with this model. Okay, so we have seen all the features and the functions, all the accessories that we get along with this. These are the wireless headphones. Okay, so we will, in any further video, we will check how we can create discrimination modes and different modes. Just subscribe to our channel so that you can keep updating future videos and all.